here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Sonata. Now, you didn't specify trim package, no worries. This is going to give you a brief overview of the vehicle. Whenever you and I meet, we'll funnel that down and find out exactly what you're looking for. Now, if you'll come up, you'll notice the sporty alloy wheels. This has got the Yes Essentials fabric. On the inside, the light gray interior. On the steering wheel, for safety and convenience, you've got your radio controls, Bluetooth. The buttons here actually toggle through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. Of course, you've got cruise control. You've got the Android Auto and Apple capabilities to this vehicle. It's got backup camera, CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radios, free to you for 90 days. Auxiliary, USB, it gives you every avenue to listen to your music. But the most important thing is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Cowart. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. This is the March Spring Sales event. It's got more incentives. Do not miss this opportunity. Please reach out to me on my cell phone, 205-907